Okay, this is a Dainichi lathe Model H we're working with today. It's a nice machine. Let's start the spindle. Very smooth running machine. Ways are in great condition. You can see that. Got your feed rate right there. You can see the control. You can load the spindle. You got your RPM. DC drive, which makes it really nice. So you can dial it in perfectly, whatever you're doing. Got the feed rate on. And you have a manual to move the carriage, to get it up close to where you need to be. Okay, now turn the feed rate on, just let it go. As you can hear, it's not making any noise, the gears are not grinding. It's in really good condition, a very low hour machine. We're just taking a little cut. It's not even loading the spindle at all. This machine will handle a part up to 16 tons. So it's a really beefy casting, as you can see. It's got a lot of metal there to work with. You can hear how smooth it runs. Okay, now we're going to show you some rapid moves with this machine. Works really well. There's a Z. Takes it a second to wind down a little bit. See that one? Okay. And this one, the L axis. That one works as well. Okay. Now we'll go move the tailstock. Move down to that end. Okay, this moves the spindle in and out. You can see it operates very smooth. Forward and back works great. Okay, now we're going to move the tailstock itself. Okay, it all works really good. It's got the gauge up here so you can monitor how your part's growing if you need to loosen it up so you don't ruin your centers. Very handy. Okay. This is the manual for the tailstock feed, which you probably wouldn't use a whole lot anyways. All in all, it's a great machine in great shape, very low hours.